husband here abroad. If you have someone you want to get married to,
One of our sister, she dey stay Canada. She just cry out na cry be talk. Say no husband for Canada. Oh. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. This our sister. I go still leave the video for now. May una still watch. May not be say na me forge am or na me. I go put the video for there. This our sister. She just come out for TikTok. She say no husband for Canada. She dey advise people when want to locate. No say for Nigeria na everybody na jackpa jackpa oh jackpa jackpa. Now the rain now. She say if you want jackpa out of Nigeria, she say make you carry your husband follow body, and if you never marry, make you try marry before you dey come Nigeria, come Canada, or before you dey leave Nigeria dey come Canada. Now wetin she talk be that. May we go for comment section. A lot of people drop comment. Let's see wetin our, in fact, our commenters. You know there is commenters, there is talk. Now the talk side I mean dey. One commenter say, Madam, plenty husband dey abroad. You only need to wise your selection. Poor and do not limit yourself to date just Nigeria or black man alone. Now wetin that one talk o. Another one just say, hey, congratulations to our copy. One just say, but copy just got a husband in the UK and never tey she relocate. Just talk say nobody dey send you. Wow. They say our copy don't hook up. Oh, copy don't hook up. Now you never hook up. Congratulations, sis. Copy. Congratulations, sis. I'm happy for you. Another one still talk say not true. Don't focus on marrying a Nigeria. Wetin this our comment talk. He say may you not focus for marry only Nigeria guy only. There are other good Africa guys and white who would come for you. Pray hard, be open-minded, and do not be too pick. You hear what he talk? Say make you not just open for only Nigeria people, open for both any country, white also. Another one still talk say, he say anybody coming to Canada is welcome. Canada is home for all, and stop deceiving people with your lie. You hear that? Another person, this one na Canada. Oh, she say the Canada is open and is good. He said make she stop to dey deceive. He said Canada is a good country. He said plenty husband dey Canada. Now wetin I believe say this our sister, our brother talk. He said nobody. He said anybody. He said anybody coming to Canada is welcome. Canada is home for all, and stop deceiving people with your lies. You hear? No be me talk am o. Person when talk am, if you go hold am. Another one say my auntie got abroad and find the love of her life within 3 months and 7 years now. Now wetin me understand say e auntie even come abroad between 3 months she got married, and she still dey with her husband 7 years now. My beautiful sister, when you dey out there, you know all finger are not equal. Maybe I understand what you dey try to talk. People, I read a lot of people comment when they say husband dey. Yes, husband fit dey where you dey. You know this countryside, if you not dey major city na many of our people they like to stay. But if you dey outskirts of the main city like Abuja now, you go there like place like Benin, you go there place like Lagos still open eye, like place like Ogun, like all those place like river, husband go hard. Why husband go hard? Because our men, our women, not the dey there. They dey the major city. Maybe I no fit say this our sister when she talk out on social media say na lie, and I no fit say people when they still drop their comment say husband dey Canada. I no fit say na lie. Now depend of the area when you dey stay. Now wetin me see depend of the area when this our sister dey stay. Husband, if she go fit find out say man not dey that area, and maybe na type of when she like to marry her Nigeria or her black. You understand? Marry her Nigeria person. Not say husband, not the Canadian men, they there. Anywhere you dey, the country people, they there, men. But her own country person, now she they try to one deliberate on why they react like this is because of the comment I see on the comment section. Say na lie, she dey lie. She don't feel like say husband not dey. Yes, another person advise you say if you dey look for husband, put all your hope to God and not too select. Yes, many of our guests in abroad, they too they select. Mostly those who see attend school small. When the right husband come, when God say this is your right husband, when he go give you happiness, they go say he don't sabi speak English. If the one men when they still go school, they still say the one when God say this one I be your wife, marry this one without she not go school. The man will say I need one when they say together. They need that together. You understand? That is why many of them they find it difficult to find husbands. Where you for weak, your wife go strong. Where your wife was weak, you go strong. You see, but many of our people not they see am like that. But I wish this my sister when you come out a quick husband. Yeah, that is how I will say it. I wish you your heart desire. I pray may the good Lord send your heart desire for you, because we human beings we always get our heart desire. At least if you not be 100% wetin you want, at least it go be 90 or 80%. I pray for this my sister, for God to send her right husband to her. Now wait till I break on for now my sisters, so my brothers, my mommies, my aunts who they follow me, who like me for who I am. Yes, now wait till I break on for now. If you they look for wife, you dey Nigeria, beg chat this my sister up. She need husband, serious husband though, not the one when you go carry go there. You the one now no. I beg, if you know say you not just need her, not just need her, she needs serious husband. In fact, the cold too much this period though. No, not mind me. I'll leave you now. May enjoy the short video of her. Yes, she dropped she dropped short video. Please, guys, I've monetized. Yes, I need to send my market and monetize. Please watch my ad. You can super thanks me for this video. Okay, if you they look for wife from you they Nigeria all over the world, when you they Canada ladies, they need a husband. Yes, they need husband, serious husband. Please super thanks me for this my video. I'll see you now in my next video. I will leave you now in peace. I will meet you now in peace. May the good Lord bless everyone. All the single ladies, all the single men. Canadian lady need husband. Okay, bye. Ciao.
Here abroad. If you have someone you want to get married to and you're planning on coming to Canada, marry that person and bring the person here. Because you are thinking you will find him here. It's not possible. He's not here.